Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to consider about this one. So for this one, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 2x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Next, because we don't have number 2 next to the x, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So the next one, we need to change the bounds. When x equals to number 0, that is from here. So this one, we have u equals to number 0 because we put the value of x equals to number 0 go in here. So we can find the value of u in here. That's why we have u equals to number 0. When s equals to number 10, that's it from here. So we put number 10 go in here. And we have u equals to number 20. And now we have the new integration. Number 0 we keep the same. Number 10 we change by number 20. 2x, that's it from here. We change by u. So the x we change by the u over number 2. And we know that this integration equals to this integration, and the value of this one equals to number 9. And now we multiply both sides by number 2. And now we have the integration from 0 to number 20. 3 of u du equals to number 18. Because we multiply both sides by number 2 to cancel about 1 over 2. And now we go back to this one. So this one we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 5s squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to 5 2s ds. Because we don't have number 10 in here, so we divide both sides by number 10. Next, we need to change the bounds. So we have s equals to number 1 from here. So we put number 1 cone here. And we have u equals to number 5 when s equals to number 2. So we have number 2 cone here, and we put this one cone here, and we can find the value of u, that is about 20. And now we have the integration from number 5 to number 20. 5s where we change by u. S ds we change by the u over number 10. So we need to find this integration from number 5 to number 20. To do about this one, we remember that this integration that should be about the integration from number 1 to number 20. 3u du. We need to minus about the integration from number 1 to number 5, 3u du. So because this integration in here, they just start from number 5 to number 20. That's why we need to use this integration minus this integration. So you got about from 5 to number 20. So this one we just calculate, and that is about this one. Sorry, from 0 to 0, not number 1. So the integration from 0 to number 20 minus the integration from 0 to number 5. So we just calculate in here. That's about 18. Minus this integration, that is about number 5. So we calculate this one, and we have 13 over 10. This is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.